In this episode, we're going to be showering in the river with amazing views behind me. I'm going to travel across Laos, seeing the beauty of Laos, and finally get into my destination, but not without some trouble. Let's go! So waking up to this, I slept over there. I don't know if you could see inside there, but that's where I slept last night. In that tent right there. Hearing the noises. Now, I'm going to go check out the waterfall. Is over there. It's just over there. You just can't beat this beauty. Sabay dinong! Tamaray! She's up. Oh, agadiใช่ไหม
agadi จันแจ้งสบายใจจะบังน้ำไหม
ใช่น้ำน้ำตกนอนนี่ใช่ไหม
ค่ะบอมแม่เลี้ยงให้นอนนี่
นอนนี่อ๋อกับพอ
ก็กลางคืนนอนพี่ตา
สบายดีตอนเช้า
ได้นอนอยู่นี่พอนอนอยู่นี่ฝนตกซื่อบวกหลายๆ
ใช่มีฝนตกหลาย
นอนอยู่นี่
ใช่เปียกหมดใช่ไหม
ใช่ใช่แล้ว
เห็นแล้ว
เกิดจนเจอสบายใจเลยกิน
สบายshe's so lovely this one so lovely
แล้วนั่งกันที่อ่างน้ำ
อาบอยู่สาย
มุ่น
นู่นอ๋ออยู่อาบนี้นู่น yeah so I think just like everybody else she just showers in the river over there. What a better refreshing way to go than just do it in the morning over there. Good morning! It's quite hard to hear me over the deafening sound of that waterfall, but you just can't beat this kind of view in the morning, this kind of thing coming out to the fresh air. I did not expect to be here yesterday, and this is the biggest thing. What the hell am I doing an Italian thing? But no, I didn't expect to be here yesterday. I didn't expect to be waking up in a tent over there, walking out onto these stones with a beautiful morning view. I kind of got to be careful because I might slip it. The rocks are kind of okay. Just look at that. I can hear them all night from my bed, except when it rained. But I feel truly blessed to have met these people, see these views in the morning. You know, it's a dream come true. What I'm doing right now is a dream come true. Going for a little explore, as you do. It's trying to think, how do you jump across all these rocks to go onto that side? And you got to somehow get around there. I'm not even sure if it's possible. Just about finding the right route. But then you'd be jumping across that. I think I may have taken the wrong route. Let's try a different route. This brings back childhood memories of when you're just trying to, when you're exploring, when you're exploring and you just run around, like you're going to be a little bit more crazy and running around when you're a kid. You got to be a little bit more careful when you get a bit older. But it's the same kind of childhood, what do we call it? The childhood brain, if you want to call it that. Where you just want to explore, you just want to find out new things, you just want to go, you want to check. Now,
shit. I just stepped in some water. That's never good. That's never good on rocks. Never good. But going back to it, yeah, like, even as adults, we still have that childhood inkling to go and explore, to go and find things. That's the reason why I'm on my trip right now, is because I have that childhood inkling of, let's go and find new things, let's go and explore. Or maybe this is just embedded into the human DNA. So it looks like I've got to the end. I can walk across here, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to wait till later, or potentially I could go up there, go around there, because the water is quite shallow right here, as you can see. So I could easily get across here without being taken down into the flow over there. But again, just taking that view. The misty, if you see that, the mist coming up from the forest. This is beautiful. And again, you can't quite see it here, but you can see it on this side. I see just a hut just over there. The misty morning view. It doesn't get much better than this. It's time to take a shower. Can't beat it. Be careful though. If you go too far, the current will sweep you. Watch. It will start to take you if you don't careful. So, this is the morning shower. Wow. Fucking love this. Cool shower in the morning. You don't get much better than this. In the jungle. In the freaking jungle. Shower done. สบายดีขอบใจเด้อขอบใจเด้อขอบใจเด้ออ้าวจับดีๆจับโอเคโอเคโชคดีโชคดีโชคดีสวัสดี Have you ever seen such a crazy road? Ah, this is a mission to go through all this. Ah, this is a time and a half to get to that secret location. Let's see if there's any more of these coming up soon. But you see it's in the road right now, right there. Okay, and we're back to the main road. Let's go! This is what I love. Look at that view. My God. You don't get this type of stuff unless you go traveling. My God, this is an amazing view. Just taking that. Breathtaking. Absolutely breathtaking. These are the kind of, although it's like bumpy sometimes, these are the kinds of winding roads that I absolutely love. If you're a traveler, you should come to Laos. There's so many roads like this. You go like this. You're in the jungle, but it's got a nice tarmac road. Can't beat it. Something I'm noticing more and more is the Lao people, when I'm around them or when I pass by them, they're all smiling. Like, I've seen this more than I do in Vientiane. Like I'm talking like 95% of them are smiling. And
think I don't know why, but I think my presumption is they don't often see foreigners, maybe on TV, but they don't see a foreigner driving a motorcycle, you know, so it's unusual for them, but at the same time I don't think they've actually seen that many foreigners, so that could be a key reason why, and that's just my thoughts in regards to this. And another thought that came to my mind is anybody that thinks, you know what, I can't do what you're doing, like, yes you can, like, we all have free time, we all have our weekends to get away, to do this type of thing. So if you ever want to jump on a motorcycle and ride around, you know, Laos or wherever it is, as long as you have enough time, you know, you've got like, what, 2-3 days, go off on Friday, come back on like Sunday night, you have that time. You can just jump on that bike and ride off into the distance. Like once a week, and like over the course of a year, that's 52 trips you can take. And if you're in Laos, that's more than enough time to see the whole of the country. Just a thought. This is like the 6th truck, 7th truck, geez, 8th truck. There's some serious mining operations going on down here. So I think that was it, but we'll see. I'm gonna wait maybe 2 minutes because I want the open road to myself. I don't want to be following trucks. You know, I don't want their dust or anything like impacting me or anything, so I'm just gonna allow them to go and have it be. Plus I'll get the quiet as well. So when I think about it, I'm in the middle of the freaking jungle. Look at this. Look at the view behind me. Like I'm in the jungle. I've got my little bike here, the little Honda Wave. People said, oh, you should get a bigger bike. Nah, this bike will do me fine. But yeah, I'm in the middle of the jungle, guys. Look at this. Imagine if there was no road. This down there is the freaking jungle. And that's what you gotta love. You gotta find them roads that just take you in the middle of the jungle. As long as you got enough fuel, those are the ones that you're gonna love. I'm a little bit worried. I'm very low on fuel right now, and I'm in the middle of nowhere. If I break down, I am pushing my bike for kilometers and kilometers and kilometers. A little bit worried. So you hear that there is actually no engine running right now. The reason for that is my fuel is so low, so whenever I have a hill, I'm actually just gonna turn on my engine and roll down the hill and just use my fuel for when it's important. You know, because I don't want to run out of fuel. So I just got to be careful. Sabari. มีปั๊บน้ำมันอยู่ไกลที่นี่บ่
มัน 12 กิโล
ไปทางไหน
ไปทางนี้ ไปเมืองลองซาน
ตอนนี้อยู่นี่แล้วก็ไปขวาแล้วก็ซ้าย
ไปทางนี้ ไปทางนี้ลองซาน
เข้าใจเด้อแป๊บเดียวผมไม่แน่ใจผมไม่
ขายเบิ่งดู
อันนี้ครับมาจากเปียงฉาง
เวียงจันทน์
พอดี
อีก10 ปลาย
โอเค
ลักกิโล ขี่ไปเลยซื่อๆเลยไม่ต้องเลี้ยว
โอเคเข้าใจ So he said that I have enough fuel to get there, so I don't have to worry about fuel running out. Although it's low, there's more than enough in there to get me to the end.
riding through the jungle. Look at that! Woo! That is real. This is real mountain view. Wow! You can't get much better than this. If you love this stuff, you love it. Whoa! My God! Ah! Jeez, this is in the jungle. Woo! Whoa! 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 I'm gonna do this with no fuel. I should have gone from the top with no fuel, but hey, better late than never. It's all downhill from here. Oh, look at that view. Look at that. Now we're here in town. Now we're here in town. No fuel, no acceleration, just a hill. Ah! Gotta love it. Oh, shit. Oh, back! Woo! This is like a bobsleigh to bugger in. Thank God for this. Mi ปั๊บน้ำมันอยู่ไส100 เมตรโอเคขอบใจเด้ออันนี้มีอยู่ไสมีอยู่ไส
3 แยก 4 แยกนะ
4 แยก
4 แยกไปซื้อเลย
เร็วขวา
ไปแล้วผมก็แล้วผมไปก็มีแล้วซ้ายไปก็มี
โอเคขอบใจเด้อ Mission to find fuel Finally, we have success. Happy days. สบายดีเต็มถังแบบ50,000 ใช่ไหม You don't know how relieved I am. I was so scared I was gonna run out of fuel halfway in the mountains and it'll be a push and a half to here. So I'll be kilos and kilos and kilos of walking. We've got it here, filled it up. Now ready for the road. So just finished my pit stop at Phonehoungheuang. I'm gonna go down that road there, about 90k down that road, and then I'll be at the destination. Let's go. This is what I'm talking about. If you come to Laos, see the real Laos. You know, you can go Luang Prabang, see the Vang Bien, Vientiane Chang, to all the tourist spots. But if you want to see real Laos, come here. Look at this stuff. Because if you haven't been here, you haven't seen these trails, these paths, you haven't seen Laos. Look at the cows here, they're just chilling. Look at them go. They're just chilling by the side of the road. They do not care, they're just chill. Look at them all. Chilled out. They know how life is. Just chill. So I was going through this village and I saw this. So I could see here, river flowing. Just in the distance there, you can see the lady. She's washing stuff right over there. And right in the distance, you can see the kids. They're playing. So it's really interesting. Like, this is what kids should be like. You know, you have the girls over there. They're walking away now. They're a bit shy. They're a bit shy. But it's really lovely, and it's just crazy how. Woo, these trucks coming through. Ah, that's not nice when the truck's coming through, but yeah, it is how it is. But yeah, it's just interesting to see. People just doing the traditional way behind the mountains in the background, and the girl just there. Interesting stuff. Things are always catching my eye, and this spectacular one is something else that caught my eye, and I thought, you know what, I just gotta go take a picture, do a video of this and check it out. So I'm gonna get a bit closer to it. Wow, check out that view. That's perfect pinpoint picture view. Just come across this bridge, you just look at the beauty. I love this. Just coming around, just seeing this. Check this one out. The river's flowing. Kids playing football over there. The undiscovered secrets of Laos, you can call it. Just taking that quickly before it's gone. Look at that river. See how high we are? Look at those clouds. We're right in the mountains now. From that to this. Oh, big difference. It's really gone high. So I'm nearly there. Just pulled over at a restaurant right here in this little town. I don't actually know what this is because it looks like it's newly constructed, as you saw the archway when it came in. You look at that. You look at this. It's just one road, and it seems to be building a town around this road, or the new highway or whatever it is. But yeah, I'll be over there in a bit. So inside the restaurant and out the back. Look at that view. Again, I'm all about view, guys. It's a beautiful view. I love it because when I'm old and decrepit or whatever it is and retire, if I ever get that way, I want a view. I want a house with a view where it's looking at the mountains, or a river and the mountains, or sea view, whatever it is. It has to have a view. That is what makes us relax. Nature makes us relax. So for me, nature is everything. And without that view, there's nothing. Let's get some food. So already started demolishing it a little bit. There we go, there's a bit of cow pat. Time to demolish. So I've got to this school right here. The lads are playing football over there. And I've got to take a trail which is all the way up there to get to my destination. So this is going to be maybe a 30-minute hour trek. By the time I'm finished, the lights may have gone out and sleep here. We never know. So finally, we made it. Phou Hua Lon. Hopefully I got that right. Any Lao people, let me know if I pronounce it right. In Xaysomboun. Now, I have to say, this is one of the most beautiful places that I've been to. You know, I haven't actually seen rolling hills. Like, I've seen mountains, you know, look, if we turn it around, look, there's freaking mountains over there, right? But I haven't seen rolling hills like these. It's the first time I've seen something like this, which to me, that's what attracted me to this place, was the differentiation, the difference in it. You know, I saw the rolling hills, like, I've got to check that. I've got to go see that. And although it took me 2 days, well, a day and a half to get here, you know, because I left Vientiane yesterday about 12 o'clock, and then, you know, I went to the waterfall, as you saw, and then it took me another quite a few hours to get here, through the mountainous roads. Although it said 4, it took me a while, but to get here and see this view is just, it made the trip worth it. And if you're into views, or you want to see this, or you want to take your Instagram selfies, or whatever it is you want to take, you come and see this. This is the place. Now, as well as that, if you're into the cows or sheep, but these guys, yeah, be careful, Michael. Yeah, these guys are a little bit maybe territorial, but hopefully they're gonna be cool with me. Hopefully they'll be cool with me. Just walking past. Yeah, he seems to be cool. He's just eating. He's giving me the stare down. But I'm interested in going that part up there. Hey, he's twitching. Hey, yeah. Ooh, his family. Oh, come on. Hey, I'm not going to do anything. Yeah, this guy's chilling. Yeah. But yeah, now I'm here. To seeing the grandeur of it, it's just, yeah, they're chilling. I'm no threat to them. But yeah, just seeing this, man. Oh, this part is even better. This part is so much better. Wow. Check out that. It just seems to get better and better and better. The more I'm going through this, the better. And then you see these rolling hills. Wow, there's a totally different angle. Totally different angle here. Just one angle can make the difference. And this angle right here, that one right there was amazing. So if you Xaisomboun, Phou Hua Lon. Yeah, if you ever get a chance to come here, man. So yeah, this is just my thoughts on it. And then just turn it around that side, and then you get to see that mountain view. It's absolutely epic. I'm trying to find the perfect Instagram spot, you know what I'm talking about, where it's a mixture of beauty, grace, you know, whilst making me look so good. So I tried over there, and the bit was black, so that one didn't go down so well, because you know, for just like here, they burn the grass to make it more fertile. That's my understanding. And then, you know, yields better. You know, it's a cycle for nature. So but farmers do it because they've got the cows over here. So yeah, I'm still looking for perfect Instagram spot. Let's see if I can find it. The cows, man, no respect. The cows have got no respect for this land. They're having to poop wherever they want to do. No respect, guys. Have some respect. Hey, buddy. Yeah, very wary of us. Yeah, I think that's an attacking thing, where they put, 2 of them have put their legs up like that to me twice. Like, hey, stay away, ready to charge. So potentially this is a good spot. I've got my little selfie stick, but I'm going to pop it down on the stands like this. The reason why is you have the rolling hills here, rolling hills there. They kind of intertwine into each other, and then in the background you have the cloud, where you have the mountain with the cloud going over it. So, you know, let's take some shots and you be the judge. What we're going to do right now is it's going to take a long journey. It's going to be a couple of hours. Going to go try and get to Phang Bien. Going to stay the night there, and then from there tomorrow get my work done, and then back off to Vientiane. So in these small towns, they don't have the, you know, they got the big petrol station, but they mainly use this stuff here. So it's for the bike. Okay, cop day. Need this before the big trip. So There we go ขอบใจเนาะใครขนมบ่แจกนี่ชอบอะไร
จงแจกน้อย
ใช่ซื้อหาย
อันนี้บอ
ได้อันนี้เป็นเจ็ด
ได้มานับให้เราได้ไหม
เจ็ด
มันจะเป็นแจกเล็กน้อยเราสูง
อันนี้แปด
ถุงละพันแน่จะเป็นแจกเล็กน้อย
เขาเป็นผู้บ่าวได้บ่เมียบ่อยู่เนาะกับตากับแฟนเฮาเล่นยิ่งแย่ปานไฟส่วนลึกในในให้สมอง
ได้อันนี้เท่าไหร่
อาย่อย่อสิบ
รับรองเขา
แป๊บนึงอันนี้ฮอนอันนี้เฮ้ยเท่าไหร่
บ่เอาเงิน
ผมจ่าย
ว้า
อันนี้
เอา
นี่ผมจ่าย
เดี๋ยวพวกกินนะ
ผมกิน
กินนะคนลาวให้กินละ
เข้าใจเลย
คนลาวให้กินอะไรกินมาให้กิน
จากเธอได้บ่
อันนี้จืนกิน
เป็นนั้นหรอ
เข้าใจ
รถคารถมันฝรั่งมันความบัวใหญ่
ที่อายมาขอ
กินได้
นั่งขอเป็นน้อง
กินมึงอร่อยบ่
อ๋อ spring roll ภาษาอังกฤษ spring roll
หัวใจเดิมแล้วเลิกจะเลือกไม่ได้
โอ้นี่อยู่ข้างนอกมัน30ข้างนอกแค่แน่นอน
บอกว่าอะไรเข้าใจ
เข้าใจเนอะ
เฮ้ยยกมีแจ็คอีกไปใส่
ไปเอาตุบมาใส่น้ำมัน
ให้เด็กหมด
ฮะ
ให้เด็กหมด
ทำหมดแล้วนี่
ให้หมด
โอ้คือว่าให้หลายด้วยขอบใจเด้อหรือว่าตันชวน
เอากิน
โอ้โห
แซ่บปะ
ร้านหน่อย
แซ่บปะ
แซ่บ
ใส่ yummy ภาษาอังกฤษเป็นแซ่บเป็น yummy ไปได้ yummy บอย
ใจละลายเด้อ
บอยเป็นยัง It's around 4:30 and because of that I don't want to go back. I don't want to go to Phang Vien because the thing is by the time I get there it's going to be dark and Lao roads at night time are very dangerous. So I might encounter a truck, they might hit me, the roads, I might bang into a hole and not see it, especially with the lights on my bike. They're not that strong. So for me, I prefer to stay one night and then I found this place. I'll put a pinpoint so you can see exactly where it is if you come here. Nice little place. This is the room, as you see, I'm already there. So yeah, this is the room. Nice little desk with the laptop. Quite normal. The bathroom. Just about to go for a shower. Oh, there we go. Yeah, just about to go for a shower, so I'm just getting ready. But yeah, nice little place. 100,000 kip for the night, so about $9.50. So not bad. So a little gander at the view. So the view, look at that. Ooh, you got a nice mountainous view there. Perfect. So. Not a bad thing. Tomorrow morning I'm going to see a few more places and then I go off to Phang Vien.
In the next episode, I explore a sacred cave, I find an amazing resort area, I go into the clouds, I get to the top of several mountains, and on the way down I nearly fall through some holes and break my neck, and at the same time some unexpected things happen. I'll see you there.